Tonight, legal professionals in Central Virginia are weighing in on the sentence for a 16-year-old Texas boy who killed 4 people in a drunk driving crash.
Almost everybody you ask is outraged by his sentence. The judge did not give him 1 day of prison time. Instead, he got 10 years probation. NBC 29's Alana Austin looked into the case to see if this sets some kind of precedent, and could it happen here? Hi, Alana.
Sharon, what's even more disturbing to most people is the defense he used. His attorneys claim he has something called affluenza. Basically, that means he comes from an affluent family, which gave him a sense of entitlement that he can get away with anything, even murder.
We need some ambulances. It's bad. We slipped and, oh, God.
When Ethan Couch got behind the wheel in June, he had a blood alcohol content of 0.24 and he had taken Valium. After he hit and killed 4 people, he tried to run from the scene of the accident. He went to court for the crime and the prosecution asked for 20 years, but the judge gave probation and ordered him to an expensive rehab in California.
My first reaction upon hearing the result of this case was probably like many folks. My visceral reaction was, how could this happen? And I can only imagine if my family were involved.
Greg Webb is an attorney in Charlottesville who represents people who've lost loved ones in wrongful death suits.
Defenses are available to everyone charged with a crime. However, they're not accessible to everyone.
He says this crime would typically carry heavy jail time and serious penalties, and that affluenza simply should not be a defense.
To an underprivileged teenager as well, who had perhaps absentee parents for a different reason. However, those parents would not be able to hire expensive lawyers, doctors, and psychologists to come in and testify. There's the discrepancy in the judicial system.
But justice might come in the form of the same money that seemingly got Couch off. The night of the accident, the crash also paralyzed one of the people in Couch's truck, and the other is in a coma. One family is now suing to the tune of $20 million.
That will impact how aggressively that these cases are prosecuted on the civil side. They will probably seek the full extent of any possible recovery allowed under Texas law.
As far as whether this sets some kind of precedent, Webb says that other attorneys might try it, but with the publicity surrounding this case, prosecutors will be ready.
Certainly interesting stuff. All right, Alana Austin live in our Charlottesville newsroom tonight. Alana, thank you.